up, y'all? It's your girl, Jonisha, and you see what it say. Like, comment, subscribe. Get to know me. Check out my channel, girl. I'm lit, okay? Black Girl 2 Live. Follow me on IG. Stop playing. Okay, so currently what we have here is the finished product, and I'm just showing y'all how flat it came out, how natural it looked, how professional it looked too. It looked like my real hair. You can't tell me nothing, girl. The flat. Okay, so right here you can see the blonde hair. That's my actual hair where it stops at. Okay, and you can see like, okay, yeah, I got thin edges, but it still is nice. That's the tape ends. I use 4 packs, 20 piece each. Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your This girl, is my actual hair. Jonisha. And yeah, it's thin, girl. It's real thin. I'm gonna wash my hair. I want y'all to But you know what? This is the beginning, how it looks. Shout out to Wilma. She did my relaxer. I tried to be cheap and just get the relaxer without the trim and the treatment, but I got it anyway. Yeah. So and she told me to wait 2 weeks before I put the tape ins, just to be on the safe side. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the tape like this, like so, here. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the comb like that. I don't think that's a good way. So I'm not gonna put it on the root. I'm gonna put it like a little down. Oh wait, oh shit, hold on. I need a rat tail comb. Yup. Cause this tape, this tape strong. So I'm gonna just do it without the comb. I'll put this one here for right now. So you can see like when I flip it up. Okay. So you're gonna notice that I'm not putting the tape ins on the scalp. Don't do that because it do hurt. Do not do that. Put it a little bit lower. It's better and it's flexible with that way. So at this point, I'm putting them everywhere. You know, I'm trying to be neat, but it is what it is. So this is the final product, and I love it. I love that natural look. And yes, my edges are thin, but they coming through. Yes, natural, lightweight, not doing too much, everyday look. That's what I like. You can wear your tape ends in a ponytail, whatever you want. Side part, middle part. I love a middle part, and I love the ponytail look.